In a quiet train station in Japan, there once stood a dog named Hachiko, faithfully waiting every single day for his beloved owner to come home. Little did Hachiko know that the person he was waiting for would never return. Day after day, he stood there, silent, patient, and full of hope. Hachiko's story is one of love that never wavered with time, a loyalty that brought tears to millions. Because in this simple dog, we saw the purest kind of devotion. With every scene of his tale, we feel his waiting, his hope, and the timeless lesson that true love is steadfast and never gives up. Today, on his birthday, let's remember Hachiko, the dog who taught us that loyalty is truly forever. And to honor that undying loyalty, a statue of Hachiko now stands at the very station, a last tribute to a faithful friend who waited forever.
Sa isang tahimik na istasyon sa Japan, may isang asong nagngangalang Hachiko na araw-araw ay naghihintay sa pagbabalik ng kanyang pinakamamahal na amo. Hindi alam ni Hachiko na ang taong pinakahihintay niya ay hindi na muling darating. Sa bawat araw na dumaan, tumatayo siya doon, tahimik, matyaga at puno ng pag-asa. Ang kwento ni Hachiko ay kwento ng pag-ibig na hindi natitinag ng panahon. Isang katapatang nagpaiyak sa milyon-milyon. Dahil sa simpleng asong ito, nakita natin na ang wagas na katapatan. Sa bawat eksena ng pelikula, nararamdaman natin ang bawat paghihintay ni Hachiko. Isang paalaala na ang tunay na pagmamahal ay tapat, matyaga at kailanman ay hindi sumusuko. Kaya ngayong kaarawan niya, alalahanin natin si Hachiko. Siya ang isang asong nagturo sa atin na ang tunay na katapatan, na ang tunay na pagmamahal ay walang hanggan. Maraming salamat, Hachiko.